Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to set up coupon sync and automatic affiliate commissions using Restrict Content Pro and Affiliate Press. To sync Restrict Content Pro with Affiliate Press, first you need to enable the Restrict Content Pro integration. Go to the Affiliate Press settings page. Now open the Integrations tab. This is the Affiliate Press Integrations page. Enable the Restrict Content Pro integration and save the changes. Changes saved successfully. Now go to the Restrict Content Pro discount codes page. This is the Restrict Content Pro discount codes page. Here you can see the discount code records and create a new code. Now enter the discount name and code. Here you can see the Affiliate Press Affiliate User option. Here you can search for Affiliate Press affiliate users and assign this code to the selected affiliate user. Configure all the settings according to your requirements and save the coupon code. The code has been saved successfully. Now go to the Affiliate Press Coupons page. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Coupons page. Here you can see the synced coupon list and also create new coupons. Here you can see the newly added Restrict Content Pro coupon record. Now activate the code. If you do not want to select an affiliate user directly in Restrict Content Pro, you can also assign the coupon from here. This is the Affiliate Press Add Coupon tab. Select the affiliate user, source, coupon status, and coupon. We are not saving it right now because this coupon code has already been used for another affiliate user. Now go to the front-end Restrict Content Pro membership purchase page. This is the membership levels page. Enter the required details for the purchase. Select the membership level. This is the discount code text box. Enter the discount code and click the Apply button. As you can see, the discount code has been applied successfully. Now click the Register button. Your membership has been confirmed successfully. Now go to the Affiliate Press Commission page. This is the Affiliate Press Commission page. Here you can see all commission-related records. See, the first record is the newly added commission, and as you can see, the source is Restrict Content Pro. That's it. This is how coupon synchronization works between Affiliate Press and Restrict Content Pro.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.